Did you know your face holds a secret superpower? It's true. Your facial expressions aren't just for showing others how you feel. They're constantly sending signals back to your brain, influencing your mood and even your health from the inside out. Think of it this way. Every time you smile, you're essentially giving your brain a dose of its own natural medicine. And the best part, it's free, it's instant, and you have an unlimited supply. So, what's actually happening when you curve your lips into a smile? It's a fascinating chain reaction. The simple act of smiling, even if you don't feel particularly happy at that moment, activates a set of muscles in your face. These muscles send a message along a neural pathway straight to your brain, triggering what's called the facial feedback hypothesis. Your brain receives this signal and responds by releasing a cocktail of feel-good chemicals. Let's talk about these chemicals. The big players here are serotonin and endorphins. Serotonin is often called the happy chemical. It's a neurotransmitter that plays a huge role in stabilizing our mood, promoting feelings of well-being, and contributing to calmness and focus. When you smile, your brain gets a little boost of serotonin, which can lift your spirits and make you feel more positive. Then there are the endorphins. These are your body's natural painkillers and stress relievers. The word endorphin literally comes from endogenous morphine, meaning a morphine-like substance produced within the body. When you smile, your brain releases these powerful compounds, which not only reduce the perception of pain but also create a feeling of euphoria. It's the same mechanism behind the runner's high. So, a simple smile can literally make you feel better, both emotionally and physically. But the benefits don't stop there. Smiling also has a powerful effect on your body's stress response. When we're stressed, our body releases cortisol, the primary stress hormone. High levels of cortisol over long periods can lead to a host of health problems. Smiling helps to counteract this by lowering your heart rate, reducing your blood pressure, and signaling to your body that it's safe to relax. It's like hitting the pause button on your fight-or-flight response. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Does a fake smile count? What if I'm not genuinely happy? This is where the science gets really interesting. A landmark study from the University of Kansas decided to put this to the test. They had participants perform stressful tasks, but they divided them into groups. One group was told to maintain a neutral expression. Another was instructed to hold a standard smile, and a third group was coached into a genuine, full-faced smile, the kind that engages the muscles around your eyes. To ensure some participants were faking it without realizing, they had them hold a chopstick in their mouth in a way that forced their facial muscles into the shape of a smile. The results were astounding. The participants who were smiling, even the ones who were forced to do it with the chopstick and were unaware they were smiling, had significantly lower heart rates during the stressful task compared to those with a neutral expression. This proves that the physical act of smiling itself, regardless of the emotion behind it, can help your body manage stress more effectively. Your body is listening to what your face is doing. Researchers at Oxford's Department of Neuroscience have taken this even further. Their work suggests that even a forced or fake smile can begin to rewire the emotional circuits in your brain over time. By repeatedly activating the facial muscles associated with happiness, you can gradually create and strengthen the neural pathways for positive emotions. It's like a workout for your brain. The more you practice the physical expression of happiness, the easier it becomes for your brain to actually feel happy. You can literally smile your way to a more optimistic outlook. So, how can we apply this incredible science to our daily lives? The solution is simple yet profound. Practice smiling, especially when you feel uncomfortable, stressed, or down. Your brain is constantly listening to your body for cues, and your face is one of the most powerful communicators. Feeling anxious before a big presentation? Find a quiet moment beforehand and just smile. It might feel silly at first, but remember the University of Kansas study. You're actively lowering your heart rate and calming your nervous system. Stuck in a frustrating traffic jam? Instead of gritting your teeth, try smiling. You're releasing endorphins that will ease the tension. Waking up on the wrong side of the bed? Go to the mirror and give yourself a big, deliberate smile. You're kickstarting your brain's serotonin production for the day. Think of it as a conscious choice, a tool you can use anytime, anywhere. Your smile is a direct line to your brain's pharmacy. When you're facing a challenge, your instinct might be to frown or tense up, but that just reinforces the stress cycle. By choosing to smile instead, you're interrupting that cycle and telling your brain, "Hey, we've got this. Everything is okay." It's a powerful reminder that we have more control over our internal state than we often believe. We don't have to be passive victims of our circumstances or our moods. We can take an active role. The connection between your face and your brain is a biological hack that has been built into our systems for millions of years. All we have to do is use it. Start small. Make it a habit to smile at the barista who makes your coffee, at a stranger you pass on the street, or just at yourself in the reflection of a window. Each smile is a small investment in your mental and physical well-being. It sends a ripple of positivity through your own nervous system, and who knows, it might just brighten someone else's day too. Your brain is listening to your face. Give it something good to hear. Thank you so much for watching and exploring the incredible science of smiling with me today. If you found this helpful and want to learn more ways to improve your well-being, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us create more content like this for you. Until next time, keep smiling.